Hello, my name is Minie. I'm the educator from Babor Malaysia. Today, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that you can do at home with Babor Self-Love Set. There are 12 items on this set, which includes our famous lines such as Dr. Babor, Skin Wash, HSR Lifting, as well as our hero product ampules and Babor Spa. First of all, you need to start with the clean base, which is we have this Dr. Babor Detox Lipo Cleanser to start your day. So you have 3 ampules in the set. That will be Perfect Glow, Collagen Booster, and we have another our bestseller that will be Hydra Plus. I would like to show you the correct way how to apply the ampules. So you just even the ampules. You just apply your entire face, neck, and also your chest. So first, you have to move the fingertips onward towards the hairline. Hold for 7 seconds, then release. You can repeat this 3 to 5 times to relax the muscle. And the next step that will be to lifting our muscle. So we place index, middle, and also the ring finger to the right and left of the nose. We just hold, then we just pull the side. Next, you can go for 2 fingertips. You just hold below this cheekbone area. Then you give a big pressure. You just pull up until the side of the ear area. The next step, that will be the cheekbone muscle. So we just place our index and middle fingers above our corner of the mouth. Then we just pull. The last step, that will be place your middle and ring fingers at the side of the face. Then you just pull up until our temple. So we have the 3D hydrogel face mask from the set. Besides that, we also have the refreshing eye pad. It's really good to refresh your eye. Extra tips for you, we actually can put on the refreshing eye pad first. And on top of the eye pads, we can apply a face mask, which you can get 2 results at the same time. After the face mask and eye mask, actually we can follow by HSR eye cream in the set. You can use this eye cream as a mask, put on thicker layer to leave on 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you just massage the excess cream on the eye until it's soft, so your eyes looks brighten and looks 10 years younger. After the eye cream, actually you can put on the collagen booster cream. You can add on some massage to enhance the beauty result of lifting. Lastly, we have daily hand cream. The hand cream actually is quite important for our daily, because nowadays we sanitize our hands a lot. Our skin actually is quite dry. So the hand cream actually helps to provide us the moisturizing as well as the protective.